beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this rice pudding. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so in my pot I have my water and I added in cloves and bay leaf, and I went ahead to add in my washed rice. You can use any rice of choice. Okay, so I'm gonna cook this till it is tender and I'll come back to check on it. Next, I'll add in my milk. You can use coconut milk. Okay, I added in my cinnamon powder and my brown sugar. You can also use white sugar if that's what you want. I'm gonna stir this and stir it continuously just to make it a bit mushy. Okay, just to match the rice. And I'm gonna do this and cook it till it is very tender and you have your rice pudding ready. So I'd love you to try this recipe and tell me what you think about this video. You can use any topping of choice and you can add in more milk to make it more creamy. Okay, so try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.